Are you looking for the dishwashing gloves? In this video, we will break down the top 4 dishwashing gloves. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Reusable CL Cleaning Glove VS. The Reusable Premium Water Block Cleaning Gloves are stylish and well-fitted. They have nice design choices, starting with the cuff feature, which keeps water from draining down the arm. The double cuff gives length options, and even when not folded down, it has a lip on the end of the sleeve to help with water drippage. These gloves are aesthetically designed with fitted wrists and fingers, allowing them to fit snugly and avoid gaping or adjusting issues. The material is substantially thick but stretches nicely, allowing them to remain comfortable. The inside is a light lining, adding comfort and helping the gloves easily slide on and off. At number 2, Long Cuff Reusable. The Long Cuff Reusable gloves are impressive in both length and quality of design. The design is solving typical flaws such as sweaty hands and addressing wish list items such as sleeve length. The glove is designed to fit the hand well, and no problems with them slipping around, which also helps when gripping objects. The soft lining provides additional comfort and keeps hands from getting too sweaty. The material is thick enough to protect from sharp objects and hot water as well. A minor shortcoming with the Good is if you want to slip them on and off quickly. These take more effort to pull on quickly due to the long sleeves and elastic band. This small hindrance means the effort can outweigh the benefits if you are not using the gloves for an extended period of time. At number 3, Mammy Kit C Hand Rubber Glove VS. These gloves are nearly an inch longer than the next two options at 15 inches long. There's clever ribbing along the forearm, and specifically at the openings, that comfortably hold the gloves in place, almost up to your elbows. The design creates a little lip to prevent water from getting into the opening. The exterior texture is smooth and not at all rubbery like some other gloves, but heavy texturing along the palm and fingers give these gloves a strong grip on even the most fragile serving pieces. These gloves are only available in pink and come in 3 sizes. At number 4, Glove Chemical Res IS Stamp Glove VS. The Glove Chemical Resistant Gloves provides excellent protection, durability, and comfort for a heavy-duty option. They are thin enough to feel cool and breathable but substantial enough to protect against hot water that would normally scald the skin. The latex material is superbly stretchy, and because of this, they are more resistant to pokes or slices from sharp objects. These gloves protected us against chemicals, oils, and overall dirty tasks as they provide decent protection and length coverage. They accommodate your typical household cleaning tasks, and they include a lip to help avoid water drippage for dishwashing and other water-heavy tasks. It is worth noting that the Glove Chemical Resistant Gloves are classified as heavy-duty but are not marketed as extremely resistant to sharp objects or very high temperatures.